everyone, it's Aakhya Verma from class 9 of CJM. I have been studying in Saraswati Vidyamandir for 8 months now. Initially, I was tensed before joining SVM. Are my doubts going to be clear? Will there be regular practice tests? Am I even going to understand anything or no? But all of this just paved its way through. Now, Saraswati Vidyamandir, along with Shivang's guidance, is a blessing in disguise. His way of teaching is transformational. The basic concepts he clears with real life examples and the regular practice tests he takes is euphoric. And the motivation he gives during the lectures, as well as the future concepts and the basic competition that we are going to face, he just tells all about it. And these are a very few things that he tells about all of the things, right? And now coming on to the doubt solving or the support team, it's just excellent. You have a doubt, you have a query, you can just go to them, and you know what, they'll solve all of it. So overall, I would definitely recommend my friends to join SVM. Thank you.